Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Design Mention. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to do a static structural analysis. Here you can see this is the ANSYS Workbench environment. So I will just double click on that static structural. So here one window will be pop up. So here 7-step process to do the analysis. Here first is the static structural analysis. Which kind of analysis you want to do? So here we have select the static structural. So second step will be the engineering data. In that I will just right click and edit. So after that edit, you can see this is the engineering data you have to enter. So in that you can add the material here and material properties whichever you want to. You can edit also that value, density, tensile strength, compressive strength, tensile ultimate strength. Okay, so or you can add the material. You can just right click and here engineering data source, click on that. Here you can add the different kind of the material. These are the libraries of material, and you can also create the library material properties whichever you want to do. Enter the properties. So here I will just select the general material. Here I will add that stainless steel. Okay, so my library, this is added. You can see this symbol, and I will go just switch the window and come back in the project window. So here you can see the right click on that engineering data. So we have successfully added the engineering data here. So next step is geometry. So here you can create a geometry or import geometry. Here I will just right click and import the geometry from the. This is my step file which I have created in 3D modeling software named as Katia. So here I will just select that geometry and I will just right click on that. I'll just update, click on the update. Okay, so you can see this is the right tick, right tick. We successfully add the geometry here. So next one is model. So I will just go in edit. You can see the progress here. So there is no progress happen. Okay, this window is opening. Okay, fine. Okay, I have created this body, and you can see. Okay, so model, firstly we have successfully added the geometry, coordinate system. Next step is mesh. So here I will just, you can see here sizing of the mesh. So here I will just keep it as it is. You can change the smoothing size of the high, medium and low from here, and relevance center. You can also change this setting also. So as per your convenient or requirement, you can change the setting and do the mesh. So here I'll just right click and generate mesh. So here it will took us some time to create a mesh. You can see it is successfully created a mesh. So here I will just make it more perfect. So I will just click fine and generate mesh. So yes, that's what I want. You can see this is how the mesh is created to the entire body. It will divide into the short body. And now we are forward to the next step, static structural analysis setting. So here I will just add a fixed load. Where is it? Fixed support. Okay, at one end I will just fix it. Here I will just apply. This is my fixed end, and at the another end I will just apply a insert, apply a force. Okay, so here this is at my x-axis, x direction. So here we can apply a magnitude here, force. So I will just enter 100. Here you can see this arrow at the x direction, and here direction apply. Okay, okay. So now our model is created. Here, force, select geometry. Okay, now to select the geometry here. Sorry, geometry selection, force, geometry, and this point apply. Okay, this is how you can apply the force. You can see this is right tick means you have successfully added the force 100 Newton. You can change the unit from here also. So next, solution. So here I will just add the solution stress equivalent one masses stresses. I want to find it, and I will just add the deformation, total deformation. These two results I want to see in that analysis of that body. So finally we are ready to heading towards the analysis. So finally I will just select solution, right click, and just click on the solve. So it will take some time. You can see the one window is pop up and this workbench solution status. It is in process. So let it be. So took some time. Here these three sections are there: geometry, print preview, and report review. Here you can see your reports insights. Okay, now here I'll just select the equivalent stresses. Okay, now that red area having the maximum stress is generated. Okay, at the center point, this will be our weak point. Here this is the area where our part will be the part may be fail. Okay, So this area is critical. You can see here minimum stress and maximum stress. These are the stresses which generated after applying the 100 Newton force at the one end, and one end is fixed. So you can see the result, total deformation. Here you can see at fixed end no stresses are generated, and the other end, this end, at this end you can see total deformation is maximum. Here you can see the values. So here you can see also animation of that body. This is how stresses are generated. You can check with the wireframe also, like this. You can show undeformed wireframe also, like this. Means this body is undeformed, and after that deformation. This is the line you can see after deformation. You can see the deformed body totally with mesh. This is how you can see the different results from here, and here you can generate the report also. You will get the all report data, all insights from that analysis. You will get each and every data. So like this you can see graph. This is how you will get the results. Okay, so if you are really like that video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And thank you guys, thanks for watching.